This is now confirmation coming in. We were just putting this out by way of sources. We were being a little careful, but now a big confirmation coming in, and I think we can put this out as breaking news as well now. It's now confirmed. Delhi will have a woman chief minister. The next chief minister of Delhi after Atishi will be a woman. Rekha Gupta's name has now been sealed, and what you see, ladies and gentlemen, are celebrations outside Rekha Gupta's residence. Obviously the family very happy to have one of the family members who's worked so long in politics, especially Delhi politics, to be picked for the top job. We can confirm for you now that Rekha Gupta is Delhi's new chief minister. Parvesh Verma will be serving as her deputy. We are expecting an announcement anytime now. Once that happens, of course, we'll go to that. And once the formal announcement is made, of course, then all the action shifts to the LG residence. Of course, that is only a formality. This is all the build up to tomorrow when the swearing in is happening. So Kritika, now we know a confirmation has come. Rekha Gupta it is.
Shreya, this is what the supporters also now have started yelling. The official confirmation is here in.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one can expect the signals to be a little off where Kritika is, simply because there is a massive crowd that has gathered outside the BJP headquarters. There you are seeing Rekha Gupta's family celebrating, all women there, her mother-in-law, her mother, her daughter, her cousins as well. Let's quickly do a nat up there and see what they are saying. Let's go to the celebration shots that are coming from outside Rekha Gupta's residence. Let's go full frame to that, please. It's already Diwali come early for them. There are crackers that are being burst as well. That's on your screens as well. Rekha Gupta on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, on the right sides of your screens. That's from campaigning, etc. But now her name has been sealed as the next chief minister of Delhi. So as and when she takes over, when she does take over tomorrow, can we please go full frame to the pictures that we are getting from Rekha Gupta's residence this evening? Pictures of celebrations and pictures of firecrackers being burst. Yeah, that's it. That's the pictures we should stay on. Let's see if there are some sound bites coming in from there. These celebrations, ladies and gentlemen, had started about 10 minutes ago, where it was almost confirmed that Rekha Gupta is the new chief minister. I think there are some intrepid journalists trying to take a sound bite as well, and we'll see if we can get some as well. But for the moment, if there is action outside Rekha Gupta's residence, there is also enough action at the BJP headquarters, because there is a process now to be followed. The process, of course, is a formal announcement that Rekha Gupta is the next Delhi chief minister. And what is also now confirmed is that Parvesh Verma, the man who was being tipped to be Delhi's chief minister, will be Rekha Gupta's deputy. The formal announcement awaited, but that's, as I said, just a formality now before the entire crowd heads to the LG's residence. Tomorrow, of course, is the swearing in at the Ramlila Maidan with the Prime Minister in attendance. Let me go straight across to Nikhil, who is joining us on the broadcast. Nikhil, it's now been sealed. There had been speculation over an hour whether it's going to be a woman who will be heading Delhi. It's now confirmed. What do we know about her?
Well, Rekha Gupta's name has finally been announced as the fourth chief minister for the capital city, and she is the MLA from the Shalimar Bagh constituency. She is also the vice president of the BJP Mahila Morcha. She is former president for the University Student Union as well. But for the very first time, she has become the president of the council at sitting into when the BJP legislative meeting was underway.
रेखा जी का परिवार जो है, सभी रेखा जी का परिवार यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है और पूरी दिल्ली आप इतनी खुश है, इतने हर्ष का विषय है कि रेखा जी को इतना बड़ा पद मिला है और रेखा जी इसको बड़े अच्छे से निभाएंगी। रेखा जी पूरी दुनिया में दिल्ली का नाम रोशन करेंगी। रेखा जी का विजन है और रेखा जी इतना अच्छा कार्य करेंगी, अब सबको इसकी खुशी होगी। और काम ही पहचान, रेखा जी का नाम है काम ही पहचान। लो बाबू जी।